Hey, what up, folks? It's J.Sarge, back at it with the old school winner chicken dinner. Tickets starting to get pretty hard to find, but I still have them in my area. So, winning numbers, your numbers, you match them up, you win. You could get a 5 times symbol, multiply your prize, get the 500 burst, win $500 instantly, or the trophy to win all 18. There is a bonus spot up here, uncover a 50, win $50 instantly. This is ticket number 48. Odds of winning on this game. 1 in 3.76 for any prize. 1 in 5.24 for any cash prize. Prizes on this game range from a free ticket all the way to $250,000. So go ahead and see if we get a win. Today I'm going to be using Sun City Scratchers, the V3 out of El Paso, Texas. Make sure to check them out. Very awesome channel. Very awesome coin. Very awesome folks. Okay. Is a pretty coin. So 50 spot, 56, no go. Winning numbers, I got a 33, snowman, 12, chicken legs, and a 14. So I got no 20s. 31, I got no 40s. 34, one off. 16, no go. 15's one off. 39, no 40s. 7 for the one off, no 40s. There's the dirty 30, no 20s. 38, 36, 37, no go. So let's try 49er. See if we get a win. We got double nickel. Winning numbers, we got 36, 21, 14, 33, and a 31. So we got no singles, no 40s. 22 is one off, chicken legs. 23, no go. 26, 24, no 40s. 32 for the one off, sandwich, no singles. 13, got a reverse and a one off. Snowman, 38, got a 35 for the one off. 16, 28, 27, 39, no win. Let's try 50. Got 52. Winning numbers, we got a 33, 34, 12, 22, and chicken legs. 31, 24, got a 21 for one off and a reverse, 15. 32 for the one off, 41, no 40s. There's a dirty again, no singles. 36, 23, 25, no go. 39, 14, 26, 38, no 40s. Got a ticket 51. Let's go. See if I get it. Here's the 49er. Winning numbers, we got 13, 22, 44, 36, and a 34. Got 31 for the reverse. 16, 12, one off. 27, 37, there's a one off. 15, 43, 39, one off. Dirty and a 38. 21, 42, one off. 21, 22, 26, 25, 29, 14. Niner, last shot would be for a grand. Wouldn't that be nice? Ends in a 3. And there's a THR there, so we already know it's not the 13. No win. Ouch. Winner chicken dinner. Did not pay me out today. Alright, hope you enjoyed today's session. Like and subscribe.